Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the colorful and creative world of Google Doodles. And not just the logos, we're talking games. That's right. Here are the 15 best Google Doodle games that you can still play in 2025 absolutely free. Let's get started. 1. Doodle Cricket, 2017. First up, for all the cricket fans, this one's a must. Doodle Cricket is a fun and addictive game where you play as a cricket team of insects. It's simple, colorful, and strangely satisfying. 2. Pac-Man, 2010. A timeless classic. Google brought back the 1980s arcade vibe with this doodle. Same Pac-Man, same rules, now playable directly in your browser. 3. Halloween, 2016. Magic Cat Academy. Play as a magical black cat named Momo defending her school from ghosts. This game is fast, fun, and beautifully animated. 4. Basketball, 2012. Test your timing skills in this basketball shooting game. The graphics are old school, but the challenge is real. 5. Coding for Carrots, 2017. Perfect for beginners in coding. Use logic blocks to guide your bunny through puzzles and collect carrots. Super fun and educational. 6. Fishinger, 2017. If you love music and visuals, this one's for you. Create your own melody while watching stunning animations unfold. A treat for your senses. 7th. Garden Gnomes, 2018. Launch gnomes using a catapult to plant flowers. The physics-based gameplay and cartoonish art style make it so enjoyable. 8. Soccer, 2012. Goalkeeper mode activated. Use your spacebar or mouse to save penalty shots. It's quick and super competitive. 9. Halloween, 2022. In this multiplayer sequel to Magic Cat Academy, you dive into an underwater world filled with ghost fish. It's even better than the original. 10. Quick Draw, 2016. Ever tried drawing in 20 seconds while AI guesses what it is? This game is hilarious and a great AI experiment by Google. 11. Slalom Canoe, 2012. Navigate a canoe through a whitewater course. It tests your reflexes and coordination. Not as easy as it looks. 12. Pony Express, 2015. Based on the historic American mail service, you dodge obstacles and deliver mail on horseback. It's quirky and educational. 13. Loteria 2019. Google turned the traditional Mexican bingo-style game into a fun, multiplayer doodle. Play with friends or strangers. 14th. Celebrating Hip-Hop, 2017. A beat-making game where you become a DJ using real hip-hop samples. Mix, scratch, and learn about hip-hop culture. 15. Champion Island Games, 2021. Last but definitely not least, the most advanced Google Doodle game ever. Explore an open-world island, complete sports mini-games, and help Momo the cat become a champion. It's like a mini RPG, and it's massive. Conclusion. And that wraps up our list of the 15 best Google Doodle games to play in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Did we miss any classics? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a fun update.